I am here with the Hatchimals CollEGGtibles Season 2 blind bags. I have, I think, a full case to open. I don't know how many come in a case. It's always hard to tell with cases like this with the bags just loosely in there. But I got what I think is a full case, and I'm hoping that we will be able to find the golden Hatchimal. That would be great. There are over 100 to collect this season. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's a closer look at the packaging. You do get one egg inside here. We have the little fox friend and the little beaver on the front. So cute. And then here's the back. And there is an app you can download to help you track your collection, and you can download the collector's map and rub the heart for color change, which I'll show you in just a second. So let's go ahead and get this friend out. Does it come with I don't think it comes with a collector's guide. Bummer, but that's okay. Let's see, I might have one here. Yes, I do have one here. Okay, here's the collector's guide. Obviously you don't get them in the blind packs, but in the regular packs you can find them, and you only get a piece of the map on one side, and then you get the full checklist on the other side. So here are all of the ones you can collect. So many cool ones. Let's go ahead and get this open. It looks like we have a pink speckled one, so this will probably be from the garden. And what you do, you don't have to, you can totally just hatch this. You don't need to warm it up, but you can warm the heart up and it will turn pink, and then you'll know it's ready to hatch. So I'm trying to warm it up a little fast-ish. It takes a little bit of time. It helps if you hold it in the palm of your hand for a little bit. It'll definitely get it warmer. I wasn't even holding the heart. I was like warming up the back of the egg there. But let's go ahead, and this one's not changing. Why is this one not changing? Sometimes you get ones that just don't change, but that just happens. See, this one's not changing. Let's just go ahead and hatch it. Perfect example of how you can just go ahead and hatch it. So it looks like we have Beeble from the garden. Let's see if I can get this zoomed up here for you guys, because it's a little hard to see Beeble. Let's get some light on Beeble as well. So cute. Let's go ahead and open the next one. Beeble, by the way, is a common. Let's see what we have next. We have a blue speckled egg. So this could be, I'm a little shaky with the blue speckled ones, but it can either be the ocean or the Crystal Canyon for the shade. Let's see if this one will warm up. I don't know if it will or not. Let's check it out. This one seems like it's kind of changing a little bit. Yeah, this one's definitely changing. So you can see it's already turning pink. That's good enough for me. Let's go ahead and hatch it. Yes, this is the Crystal Canyon. So this, my friends, is, oh, nope, rolling away. That's who it is. I'm thinking this is Foxfin. Is it Foxfin? Yes, this is Foxfin from the Crystal Canyon. He's a common. So the Crystal Canyons are special editions. That's fun. And let's move on to the next one. Oh, before we move on, you can take these eggs and you can make them into cute little nests, I guess, if you will. Let's try and see. You break it down like that, and then they can sit in there like so. So let's go ahead and open the next one. We have a purple egg. Purple would be jungle or magical meadow, but I think it's jungle. And we have a little tiger. This is Tigrette. Hello, little Tigrette. And this one is a common, and again from the jungle. So cute. I love this one. I love this one in the first season, but obviously it's a different season this time. It looks like watermelon. But I love this one. I like the little paw, like, yeah, high five. So cute. Moving on to the next one, we have a light blue one, so this one will probably be from the river. Let's just go ahead and hatch it. Who do we have? Oh, this is a little crab. This is actually from the ocean. Really? I thought that would have been from the river. Anyway, this is from the ocean, not the river, sorry. This is Crabbler. So it's a little yellow crab, and he is a common. So cute though. The crab is definitely one of my favorites this season. And let's open up another one. This is a red egg, so this will be from the farm. I'm loving all of the farm animals, not the farm categories, just one farm category. Oh, oh my gosh, it's a llama. I haven't gotten this one yet. What's this one's name? This is Llama Loon, and he's a rare. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look at his hair. Oh my goodness, this one is definitely a favorite. I like the way he's sitting too. It's really cute. Okay, moving on to the next one. I hope I can get the other color of the llama. I think those are so cute. Okay, we have a green one, which will be from the forest. So let's see who it is. Who's gonna join our family? This is Deer Lou, little deer, and she's a common. And then she never likes to stand up. And then we have a light blue one. I'm thinking this is River. I don't remember. I think it's River. It's way lighter blue than the other light blue one we opened. So let's see who it is. Yeah, this has to be River. This is Hip Hatch. It's a little hippo. And there goes one of my eggs there. Okay, so we have Hip Hatch. He is a common. He's so cute. So adorable. And moving on. Oh, this is another red one. Okay, fingers crossed, you guys, that this is going to be the other llama. The other llama loon. Let's see. Let's see. Can't get it open. Nope. It's the chicken. This is Chick Chat or something like that. Let me double check on your name. Chick Chat. And he is a common in this color. Let me clear some of this wrapping up, and we'll move on to the next one. And we have a purple one. This is light purple, so jungle, I think. And I don't know. I can't tell who it is just yet. Oh, it's the little toucan, the Toku. And he's a common, by the way. So let's get him out. There he is, little cutie. Whoops, I'm just dropping him. So adorable. I say that about everybody, but they are really, really cute, especially this season. I don't know, they're all so cute all the time. Okay, we have a yellow egg, so that would mean it's from the savannah. I don't know, which one do I want from the savannah? I don't know. Surprise me. Surprise me. Let's see. I can't see. Oh, I think I know who it is. It has to be the zebra. What's his name? Zebrush. Yes, Zebrush. And he is actually a rare. There we go. Got the little Zebrush out. So cool. Crazy colors. Okay, next one. We have a light blue egg, so I'm thinking River, question mark. And it's, who is this? Who is this? Is this the platypus? I think it's the platypus. This is Platypiper. Platypiper is an ultra rare. How cute is Platypiper though? So great, so great. Okay guys, we have one last one. I would have really liked to have seen the other llama. Is it? Nope, it's a yellow egg, so it won't be the other llama. This one will be another savannah one. So let's open it up and see who we have. Whoops, whoops. Okay, this is Chi-Tree. Chi-Tree is a common. So cool, these look so good. Let me know which Hatchimal friend is your favorite from the ones we opened up today. I'm going to choose Llama Loon. So cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I post new videos every single day. Thank you guys again and I will see you next time. Bye.